Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. We are discussing the process of purification. Different methods have been described by Prayaschitta and by Tapasya. We have discussed, and then Kevalaya Bhakta. Bhakti includes everything. Karma, Gyan, Jog, everything. And it is specially recommended that by austerities and other methods, there is possibility, but it may not be successful. But if we adopt this process, devotional service, then it is sure. So this purificatory process means Nivitti Marga. And Pravitti Marga means without any knowledge where we are going on, rushing on. We are doing everything, whatever we like. That is called Pravitti Marga. People are generally engaged in Pravitti Marga, especially in this age. They do not care what is going to happen next. Therefore they feel relieved that there is no life after death. Let us enjoy this life to the best capacity. Then after death, never mind what will come. First of all, they deny to believe the next life, and even there is next life, and even if I am going to become cats and dogs, they do not mind. This is the experience of the modern age. Irresponsible life. But our Krishna consciousness movement is teaching people that don't live irresponsibly. Take for example that you may say there is no life, but if I put the argument, suppose there is life, now this is also supposition, because nobody, those who are in ignorance, they do not know whether there is life or whether there is no life. So, you are arguing there is no life, but you do not know whether there is life. There is not enough knowledge. So suppose you have to take both the ways and think over it. You are simply thinking on the point that there is no life. Now why don't you take my proposition, if there is life? Because you are not certain whether there is life. We say there is life. We take the example, just like this child has got his next life. The child may say there is no life, next life, but actually that is not the fact. The fact is there is life. The child will change this body and he will become a boy, and the boy will change this body. He will become a young man. That is a fact. But by simply obstinacy, if you say there is no life, that you can say. But take this argument, if there is life, then how much irresponsibly you are making your future life so dark. The same example, if a child does not go to school, does not take education, if he thinks there is no other life than this life, I shall play all day, why shall I go to school? He may say so, but there is life. And if he does not take education, in next life, when he is a young man, if he is not posted in a good position, then he suffers. This is irresponsible life. So, before we get next life, we must be free from all sinful life. Otherwise we are not going to have better life. Especially going back to home, back to Godhead, one has to finish the resultant action of his sinful life in this life. In the Bhagavad Gita you will find, Jesam antagatam papam jananam punya karmana te dandamaha nirmukta bhajanti mang dhirabrita. To become a staunch devotee of Krishna, perfect devotee of Krishna, means one has become freed from all reaction of sinful life. Jisam antagatam papam. No more committing any sinful activities. And whatever sinful activities he had done in his previous life, that is also negative. That is also made negation. There is no more reaction. Jisam tu antagatam papam. Jananam punya karmanam. And the people are engaged either in sinful activities or in pious activities. So, those who have not only finished the resultant action of their past sinful activities, but at the present moment they are simply engaged in pious activities. Such person, Jisham tu antagatam papam jananang punya karmana, te, such person, dandamaho nirmukta, without any hesitation, without any doubt, bhajanti mang dhirabrata. That is the. So anyone who is engaged in Krishna's service with firm conviction and devotion, it is to be understood that he is now free from all reaction of sinful activities.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.